Welcome back to Every Other Carl. I'm Carl, and today I'm using my Harbor Freight Titanium 125 welder to weld some exhaust pipe. So this is the Titanium 125 Flux welder, pretty much the easiest welder if you're going to get into welding. Super cheap from Harbor Freight. And I've been using it for general work around the house and also some work on my truck. I have another video on that. But one question I always had was, how helpful would it be for exhaust pipe? How easy would it be to weld, or was it going to burn through like crazy? This is the muffler from my Nissan, and the pipe broke, so I welded a connector on here, and it couldn't have been easier. I had a connector left over that was a little too big, so I cut it lengthwise and then hammered and squeezed it down to size. I then welded it back together down the cut. Then I threw some tack welds to connect it to the old metal. And went back over them as best I could to add some strength. I'm in no way a good welder, but I was happy with this outcome. With low settings, it never burned through and ended up very strong. I have the settings pretty much as low as they go, and just taking my time on this, letting the metal melt really well, build up that pool. Really happy with the result. I'm now going to take this, put it back into the car, and weld the other side of that. Once I got it in place under the car, I did a similar process, just tacking it all the way around and then going over the tacks as best as I could to add more material. Alright, not the prettiest thing in the world, but it was really hard to get under there. And that is very solidly welded in there. So the final word is yes, the Harbor Freight Titanium Flux welder does a great job on exhaust piping. Until next time, I'm Every Other Carl. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see ya.